Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of DoorDash. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about DoorDash and you'll enter. Here you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.